Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix error reforming query on Facebook in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Understand the error. The error usually happens due to temporary Facebook server issue, app bugs, or internet problems. Most of the time, it's not a serious issue. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Open settings on your iPhone and make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data is turned on. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to refresh the connection. Facebook needs a stable connection to load data properly. Step 3. Close and reopen Facebook. Swipe up from the bottom and pause to open the app switcher. Find the Facebook and swipe it up to close. Then reopen the app. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power and volume button. Then slide to power off. Wait for 10 seconds. Then turn your iPhone back on. Step 5. Update the Facebook app. Open the App Store. Then search for Facebook app. Tap update if available. Updates fix bugs that can cause query errors. Step 6. Reset network settings. Go to the settings. Then general. Then transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset. Choose reset network settings. Then reconnect to Wi-Fi and open Facebook again. And that's how you can fix the error reforming query issue on Facebook on an iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.